Shugor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Kakenhuan Menteri Kalamanjur ban Pynkylla yiki kendon ke Meghalaya Minor Mineral Concession Rules Arhajar Khat and Rio. Ha kabala Shah ban Khat Shyiap nawa. Kamen Shwa omdon kanu ke jing ai jing bet ban ti Shyiap. Ha kala asngi ublay Menteri Rangba Conrad ke sangma ula ong badaka jing Pynkylla ya ke Mmmc Rules Arhajar Khat and Rio ka jing ai ya ke mining lease cheki rio shimet bakin tong Shyiap nakiwa. Kamen Shwa lakhang banti Shyiap kat kum ki kendon ka MCCC rules Arhajar Khat and Rio kabala don lepa nadu kisnem menshwa.
Yeah, so basically, again, I will not be able to give you all the details. But basically, since the provisions for sand mining were not there in the triple MCR in the 2016 Act that came out. So here, so it says that within a distance of 100 meters from any village, water source, bridges or dams, reservoirs, and from the edge of state highways and any other states when blasting is not involved. So basically, the earlier rules restricted in one way and was not clear on sand mining, and this has been a source of livelihood and also important for the construction industry as a whole in the state. And because of the non-clarity in the triple MCR, the mining was taking place but without proper licensing, since the pollution and the other forest department and others were not able to give based on the fact that there were no provisions in the triple MCR. And hence, in the cabinet today, we included the provision which says that provided that above mentioned restrictions shall not apply to riverbed sand mining and riverbed mining. So this is the important aspect. Now obviously there will be certain ways and means in which the mining should take place, and those aspects will of course will be maintained and will be also reviewed from time to time. If there are certain situations that are there, then definitely the respective departments will go into aspects. But as I said, in the proper manner, and proper procedure, this particular minings will be allowed.